Okay, so my name is Dr. Sarah Griffin. I've been using the Anteater for over a year now, roughly a year. I got it last year at the Parker seminar. I love it. It is great for people who have really severe scoliosis because a lot of times they're very hard to adjust. I have to be honest, I don't use it on every patient because of different needs for different patients, but those patients that use it, my husband's one of them. He won't let me adjust him without it, so because it hurts him if I don't use it. So it's very comfortable for the patients, and you really should get one. They're great.